Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Audiobookshelf on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you will be able to start listening your books.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating the packages, install and start Docker using the following commands. Next, create a working directory and navigate to it. Next, create the subdirectories for your data and create the docker-compose configuration file. Pass the following code into the configuration file. Now start the container and open your web browser using your server IP and the following port. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Register an account and then you can start editing the books you wanted to listen to. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.